nwoke a kịta na nwoke ị na-enene kịta ife mụtara nwa nwoke a kịta na wee tụba nwa ya ime wee mụọ nke izi mụọ nke ịbọ wee akụrụ nke izi wee lezie ya ele Chineke wee bụọ ha ike ewelu Chineke wee kpọkpọọ ha ike wee jidezie ha nwoke kedu ifere na-eme so liftanship ka a na-agba nwoke a naanị ghọtago ebugolu ngwongwo niile ọ bụrụ na ị naghị akịta ịfụ na nwoke a bụ onye Imo steeti ngwongwo ka ebuzi ugbu a were na hey excuse me there were na madam excuse dapụta Liftanship ka a na-agba ya ugbu a liftanship ka a na-agba nwoke a ugbu a ngwongwo na ngwongwo niile agbaghị liftanship esizi obodo a na-agbasi ya ka ọ yaraba agbasi ya na be ha.
My people, when I don't see wetin I dey, we shall not see the video when I drop. You see wicked word when we dey. Wicked word now we dey. Imagine this kind of life. Now make we dey tell our people every time we dey come outside, they tell we dey make sure say for we to wise, because this life e don pass the way we dey see am before. E don pass. Una dey see. Even the girl dey enjoy the thing. E dey enjoy im own papa cucumber. You know see life. You born first one, twins. Second one now you dey so. Which kind of shameful life be this one? Sometimes I dey imagine say I'm short of words when I see this video of a thing very disgusting. Person your own father go dey sleep with her, even say na but some people say na medicine. According to our people, they say the girl he don't take otonopo take close the eye, not be the pikin real eye. But how can this kind thing dey happen for life? Person born your own pikin, now come dey marry him pikin. Some things wey dey happen, no be only men dey do this thing o. You know say this life, they say na only person wey be like say they don hear him matter, now they go think say na only him dey do the thing. My brothers and my sisters, home and abroad, anywhere una dey, anywhere, abeg, this is 2020. All this disgraceful life, make we stop all this thing na curse, generation to generation. Generation to generation, na be all this curse, na dey lead to. Anywhere we dey, abeg, make we try. There is before something go result us say I die no. Make we put an end to it. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Now make her dey talk. If they come outside, they go say, hey, Benin do this one, Benin do that. No, you are wrong. No be only Benin. This one wey happen na Igbo land. No be only Benin. Everywhere na dey. So before person, no be, you know say many people they go say, eh, because he na Benin girl. I'm not a Benin girl. But that's why I'm not a Benin girl. Benin people not be my enemy. You have to say the truth, say the reality. Yes. Everywhere now this thing they happen. Everywhere. All these evil acts. Everywhere. Not be say some places. Everywhere where good people dey, now there bad people dey. So this kind of evil life, must we stop am. Eh? And the one where our people don't learn now, mostly our boys, because I not fit say no only Benin boys. Our boys, Nigeria boys, some of our boys, they don't want work. They don't want work. They want to find who they go to camp with. Please, my brothers and my mostly the brothers, please go and look for something doing. Look for something to do for your life. Eh? This life don't pass all this one so. The time where they say Mugu for Gaima work, no be now again. No be now. You see as Kevin enter one chance. Una see am. But some people they go there, they go they comment for some people where they do live video, say live and na life. Na life, but at the same time they destroy life. They destroy, they damage people name. They damage Nigerian name, mostly Benin, according to the Kevin video. Una no hear wetin they talk about Benin. And at the same time, Nigeria. We be Nigeria, they damage our name. That is why people they concerned about this video. Not be saying our life, not be saying the people where they do the video live. Now the Kevin life. Actually, you no need to concern anybody, but they damage people name. That is why. I beg, make our people. This 2020, we have to put an end to this nonsense them. Home anywhere we dey. I beg. Oh. Not be every year person say they craze so. Not be every year oh. Una dey hear so. I beg oh. Muna no vex oh. If these pieces of words when I bring come out today, e get in any way I offend una. I beg make una no vex for me. I just say my come outside my talk. Because some kind things where they happen for this our Nigeria, the things where we come they see they do for this Europe, we come they see things where they happen for country. It go be like say na curse. It go be like say our enemy is living on that curse. Eh? Now we go church pass, but now we live inside curse. Some of I don't know as I go take talk am again. Because imagine this father of 18 sleeping with his own daughter. Is it not a cause? Is it not a cause to those children they are giving birth? You see now, innocent children, people wey no know about. Eh? God have mercy, no. May God come have mercy upon the children, because this one wey we dey see so, e don pass be careful oh. Who come outside talk, they go say e too talk. Eh? This kind things wey dey happen, I dey imagine. Person go dey sleep with your own daughter. Men go dey gidigba. E no cut hand, e no cut leg, e no go work. E dey find woman when e wan dey chop im money abi how. So you no fit take your arm hustle marry woman put for house take care of your wife. Eh? And some of our girls sef, make una stop that kind life too. No be only Kevin. And not be only men they do this thing. Any woman wey see know say they sponsor man, tomorrow make e no come outside come dey cry you, because nine carry the people for a head. You play that is, I don't know as I go take talk am. You carry responsibility of man put for your head instead of the man to put the responsibility for his head. Eh? Men mostly those of una wey no wan work, una dey hear HIV positive, una dey hear with una ear. Una dey hear. Abeg o, abeg. This yeye thing wey we dey do, say wey we think say e dey favour us, make we stop am. Make we stop am, abeg. Abeg o, na beg now dey beg. Anybody wey know say e dey live this kind of life, e dey live kind of life wey be like say e no dey genuine, e no dey okay, go and work. Even though say you dey look for paper, you know the way to go about it, not be by this kind crazy way. I dey talk this thing, no be only man, both men and women now dey talk to so. Whether you be man, whether you be woman, whether you call yourself young girl, be young boy, make una stop this kind of life for Europe. Some of us wey dey do this kind life, make we stop am. Una stop this kind of life. Now YouTube now don Facebook, Instagram don rest now for na so e dey deceive me. Na so e dey na Zimbabwe woman, abi Zimbabwe, abi how dey call am, na im come outside now. You see now, you see Nigeria, anywhere Nigeria. No be say they hate us, but not these ones wey dey spoil our name dey go. Because say they are cucumber, they no carry am dey one place. Una dey see am HIV positive. Una dey see am. Na God we go pray for our brothers and our sisters, so because we need real deliverance. Real deliverance. See early this year now again. See story where we take enter. Abeg o, I wan just stop this video for just here because this whole thing is very disgusting somehow. Person no know the one wey go talk. Abeg my brothers and my sisters, if e be say wetin that little girl dey do so, when e no talk, whether some people say na under cause, so me no know the one when I go talk. Whether na under spear dey o, abi e dey enjoy the thing, me no know. I no know the one when I go talk for inside this too, because sometimes you go see some words, you no even know wetin you wan talk again. You are short of words. Just as like this Kevin wey go meet this Grace woman, wey go jam you know say Nigeria women, that they do them, they no dey talk. This one now, you see you see they look for more. Abeg myself this video for now, okay? Please, anyhow you see this video, please try to drop your opinion, okay? We are learning, we are here learning, and we are here always for you people, okay? Please, if today is your first day of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, please, and drop comment and like. Please share, okay? Share, because this shameful life, e don reach when something go put an one of this thing go to an end, when they go say stop, enough is enough. Yes, enough is enough. All this kind of life not be life where person is supposed to live. You see now, you see the girl with his papa, they even, oh Jesus, okay, amemo. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, okay, and drop your comment, okay? See you next. Please, please, in case if you don't know, please go and subscribe to my family channel, okay? Please, my family channel name is Gloria Family TV. When you come there, you will see the way we entertain you people. We are there talking about love. I know say some people they will say, who love don't help? We know. Anyhow you take them, but we are there discussing, okay? And sometimes we do answer question about all these two couple, at least anything about couples life. That is what we are there. Anything about our life, anything about our, you know now, anything concerning your home activities, what you they do for us, what you like best, you can drop your comments. Free to drop comments on that channel. We are there for you people, okay? Love you. See you next. Ciao.